IGCSE Basic and Further Index Laws.
With examples.
Basic index laws.
First index law. X to the power of n times x to the power of m equals x to the power of x plus m. If x is 2, n is 3, and m is 4, we'll have 3 times of 2 times itself times as 2 to the power of 3 times 4 times of 2 times itself as 2 to the power of 4. As a result, we'll have 2 to the power of 7, which is also equals 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 4.
Second index law.
X to the power of n divided by x to the power of m equals to x to the power of n minus m. For example, 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 4 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16, divided by 2 to the power of 2, which is 2 times 2 equals 4, which is equal to 2 to the power of 2 equals 16 divided by 4 equals 4.
Third index law.
X to the power of n to the power of m equals x to the power of mn. There is an example here. 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 to the power of 4, which is multiplying to 12 times. You will notice that it's the same as 2 to the power of 3 times 4.
Further index laws. Further index laws number 1.
Now, let's have a look at indices which are fractions. You'll need to use basic index laws to find out this one. Here's an example. 4 to the power of half. We need to get rid of the half using the third row. What's the number that gives you 4 by being multiplied by itself? Square root of 4. Same thing also applies to 1/3, quarter, and so on.
Further index laws number 2.
X to the power of minus n equals to 1 over x to the power of n. For example, 2 as the x and negative 2 as the exponent. It will be 1 over 2 to the power of 2, which is a quarter.
Now here's an important thing. What's x to the power of 0? Is it 0 because x is multiplied by itself 0 times? The answer is no, it's 1. You can prove this with the basic index laws. Here we have an example. 3 squared divided by 3 squared is 3 to the power of 0. What's 9 divided by 9? It's 1. Whatever the x is, x to the power of 0 is always 1.
IGCSE Questions.
Here's the first question. 4 to the power of n times 4 to the power of 2 equals 4 to the power of 12. We have to find m. We'll use the basic index law to get 4 to the power of 2 plus m equals 4 to the power of 12. Now, we'll apply another index law with the same index law to get 4 to the power of 12 divided by 4 to the power of 2, which will get 4 to the power of 10.
For the second question, what's 81 to the power of 0.25 divided by 4 to the power of minus 2? 0.25 is 1/4. We apply further index law on 4 to the power of minus 2 to get 1 over 16. We use further index laws here again. 81 to the power of 1/4 is equal to 4th root of 81, and the 4th root of 81 is 3. 3 times 16 equals 48, so the answer is 48. For the last example, we have 27 times x to the power of 12 in brackets to the power of 1/3. If we expand the bracket, we'll have 27 to the power of 1/3 times x to the power of 12 times 1/3. We'll apply further index law here for 27 to the power of 1/3, which then is third root of 27. X to the power of 12 times 1/3 equals to x to the power of 4. Cube root of 27 is 3, so the answer is 3 times x to the power of 4, which then can be written as 3x to the power of 4.